Namaste everyone, this is Dr. Kavya. Welcome to Healing Aura. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 sets of sleep apnea exercises that will not only help to cure your sleep apnea, but eventually it also help you to stop snoring. These exercises are designed in such a way if you perform regularly, it will slowly help you to get rid of your CPAP machine. First exercise, breathing exercise. Single nostril breathing. Inhale and exhale the breath from the same nostril, which is also called Surya Chandra Bedhana Pranayama. By finding Vishnu Mudra, use right thumb to close right nostril, inhale and exhale gently from the left nostril. Do vice versa. Feel your ribs expand on this. You're increasing your respiratory strength here. At the same time, it is helping your pituitary gland regulate body temperature and sleeping patterns. It helps to keep the nasal passages open and also helps to reduce snoring. Shvana Pranayama or dog breathing. Sit in Vajrasana preferably. Slowly bend forward and just spread your 5 fingers in front of the knees. Inhale the breath. As you exhale, stretch your tongue out. And keep exhaling continuously in this mudra. Where you stretching your tongue out and focus on the movement of your abdomen. Continuously do 20 to 30 rounds in one go. Do the breath retention. Slowly inhale the breath for 5 seconds and slowly start exhaling and relax. Simhasana Pranayama or lion breathing. Sit in Vajrasana and then gently stretch your knees out by sitting on the heels, fingers facing inwards. Slowly inhale the breath. As you exhale, stretch your tongue out and make a sound like a lion. Breathe in and breathe out by making a sound from the throat, not from the voice box. Stretch up to 10 to 12 rounds in one go. Do the breath retention by making breathe in and breathe out gently. Shashankasana Pranayama or rabbit breathing. Sit in Vajrasana preferably. Drop your elbows and hips a little off the heels. Take a measurement of your chin 1 palm distance. By stretching your tongue out, inhale and start exhaling the same how we did it in the dog breathing. Keep exhaling continuously to 20 to 30 rounds in one go. This time you are focusing in the movement of your chest as it is a thoracic breathing. After the exercise, do breath retention exercise. Relax. Second exercise, Marma Chikitsa or therapeutic puncturing points. Now we'll see how to stimulate Phana Marma. It is also called Urdhva Marma, located on either side of nostrils at the junction of labial skin and nasal membrane. Start massaging in circular motion. Believe it or not, it's gonna be working in 3 different areas: the nose, the throat, and the tongue. Now start giving gentle pressure. You have to feel the pain. Vital energies are locked up in these marmas. By stimulating in such a way, helps to open your nasal passages and to reduce snoring. Next we'll see Madhya Chibuka Marma, posterior digastric muscle. Take your thumb, bring it to the corner of your jaw, into the back of your throat behind your jaw. Feel the tenderness in that point. That is the Marma point of Madhya Chibuka or the posterior digastric muscle. Give gentle pressure on both the sides at the same time. Just push up for 5 to 10 seconds. This is such a secret in getting the throat open up, getting the breathing open up. So reduces snoring and it also helps for sleep apnea. Third exercise, tongue ranges of motion. We are going to exercise tongue in 5 ranges of motion. First, open your mouth and stretch the tongue out under your lower lip and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Second, stretch your tongue out and try to touch the nose tip. and maintain the position for 5 to 10 seconds. Third, stretch your tongue out and face the ceiling for 5 to 10 seconds with head back. Your trachea is lifted upwards and throat muscles will contract. All the muscles in your front of your neck are exercised and stretched. Fourth, lateral pushing tongue exercise. Push your tongue into the right side of your cheek and push on it from the outside using your finger tap resistance, and do the same on left side. Hold each side for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat this exercise 2 to 3 times on each side. Fifth, swallowing exercise. Put the tip of your tongue between your teeth and let's begin to do some swallowing, and do 5 swallows with the tip. It is little challenging with gathering some saliva, and let's go a little bit further out with the tongue. But you will feel that throat really work. Last, vowel exercise. Making vowel sounds. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.